Alright, so I'm out here today. I just flew from Asuncion to Ciudad del Este, and right now I just got to the second biggest dam in the world, Itapu, I think that's how you say it. And it's kind of, I mean, it's not a great weather day, and it's winter here, so it's just me and one other guy and the tour guide, so it's kind of a private tour. But I'm going to show you guys around here and kind of let you check it out. I don't know if the camera is going to show everything about this place, but it is massive. Like standing at this little mirador on the Paraguayan side, because it's on the border of Paraguay and Brazil, it makes you feel really, really small. This is a massive, massive dam. Obviously, second biggest in the world.
Cada unidad produce 700 megawatts. Como tenemos 20 unidades, existe una potencia instalada de 14.000 megawatts. A fin de evitar riesgos hacia la casa de máquinas.
I'm here with Dennis, and we're about to go to, I think, the biggest waterfalls in Paraguay, Salto del Monde, I think that's how you say it. But Dennis was telling me about a little bit more about Itapu, and basically the minimum salary in Paraguay is like 2 million guaranis, which is like $350 per month. That's like the minimum salary. Pero la gente en Itapu, ¿cuánto ganan cada mes más o menos? El mínimo.
30 millones.
30 millones.
Sí, de guaraníes.
De guaraníes. So that's about $5,000 a month. And that's the minimum. So that's for like the construction workers, the guards, the tour guides. Anybody that works there is going to make $5,000 or more every month, which is, I mean, that's good money in the States. That's crazy money down here in Ciudad del Este. So that's a really good job. And tu vecino sí tiene 10 carros, ¿sí?
Sí, 10 autos.
So his neighbor works at Itapu and spends all his money on cars. He has 10 cars. I don't know why. Dennis doesn't know why either. But yeah, it's pretty interesting how good of a job that is. Got out here to the biggest waterfall in Paraguay. ¿Cómo se dice? Salto del Mondai? Mondai. Alright, I'm gonna fuck that up. Salto del Mondai. It's not Monday, how it's spelled, not lunes. Mondai. I hope I say that right. But let's go check it out. Buenas.
Buenas, ¿qué tal?
Sí, ¿cuánto cuesta?
Serían 10.000 guaraníes, 20.000 guaraníes más.
Sí, vamos.
56.000 sería así.
Perfecto. Super beautiful out here, and the craziest thing about it, there's no one here. It's just me and Dennis right now. There's not even somebody working here. Like, then you just go right over here. And there's that. It's beautiful, but there's nobody here. It's pretty crazy. I think this is really cool. I don't know what you guys are gonna think, but this thing has so much power. Check this out. So we just got done with Salto del Mondai. I still don't think I'm saying it right, but we were about the only people there, which is really weird because it's a beautiful place. just got here to Shopping Paris, Shopping China. It's kind of the same thing, but really unique place. It feels very different to me. I don't know how to put it, but I'm trying to buy a stabilizer here, so Dennis is going to show me where I could get one. Alright, so the bathroom here has to be one of the funniest things I've ever seen. So you're going pee, you look up. I think that one's my favorite. That one has to be pretty good too. They're all laughing at you. She looks impressed. Good job. I've never seen some shit like that before. So we're in Shopping China, trying to find a stabilizer. This place is pretty cool. It's giant too. It's about 2 times the size of your average Walmart. It might be over here. Well, they got some drones. Not too bad. GoPro stuff. Should be somewhere around here. Buenas.
Hola.
¿Tienes una como estabilización para la cámara?
Sí tenemos.
Perfecto. ¿Cómo se dice?
Estabilizador.
¿Cómo? Estabilizador.
Estabilizador.
No puedo con mi accent. Imposible. Los Estados Unidos.
¿Tú de dónde?
Los Estados Unidos.
Ah, está.
Sí,
¿No habla inglés?
Sí, claro. ¿Tú?
No.
Ah.
I'll say hello.
Ah, hello. Es un Sony RX 106.
Tengo a partir de esta, Crane Plus. Crane Plus, $495. Crane Plus.
Amigo, ¿qué tal?
So, was told I could not film in Shopping China. I don't know why. Maybe they got something going on there. They don't want people to see. But they didn't have the stabilizer I need. So headed out now. Probably going back to the hotel, and may try to go to some other places. See if I can find a stabilizer tomorrow here in the shopping mecca of the South America. Just got out to Brazil actually. First time ever in Brazil. And here at Foz de Iguaçu, I don't think I said that. How do you say it? ¿Cómo se dice?
Foz de Iguaçu.
De Iguaçu. Okay, so I got it pretty close. And apparently it's pretty dead here. Normally this parking lot is full with buses. Today there's 4 buses. So might have some good luck here. But this is supposed to be one of the natural wonders of the world. So hopefully it's pretty interesting. Right here?
Back up the stairs.
Oh, back up? Perfect. Appreciate it. What'd you guys decide?
Wet.
Wet? Alright, so there's 2 different tours here, the wet and the dry. And after careful deliberation, I'm definitely doing the dry tour because I want to bring my camera and I want to be wet the rest of the day doing tourism and shit. But it should still be pretty cool. I don't know where the line is. For the dry tour right here?
Yes. He choose down before after the cable car.
Perfect. Thank you. Alright, so gonna get the dry tour. Take this little cable car down, and then you get on the boat down there. Even the dry tour is wet, so you can see no shoes on there. I didn't come prepared like these ladies did. They're a little smarter than I am. Here's the river. I don't see the falls yet. Imposible por los gringos.
Sí, porque así en portugués habla gringo, ¿no? Y en portugués significa gringo.
Gringo. Gringo.
Sí.
Ah, no, tampoco puedo, no.
Sí.
No, the rolling is impossible. Like if you're European or gringo, rolling the R, no.
En inglés se usa mucho el L cuando son de parecidos, sí.
L.
Sí, porque gringo, fica como en portugués parece muy con la letra L.
Ah, ya.
Como somos los ataques de L acá.
Sí. Pero pienso que el acento brasilero
Sí.
es mejor que el acento argentino. Con la calle y amarillo.
Sí, y ahí se
Mi acento argentino es horrible también.
como Y o en portugués. Se hablaría yo y ellos fueran yo. ¿No entiendes? ¿Sale una letra de dónde?
That was more than wild enough. What do you guys say?
I think it's perfect.
Yeah, that was about right. We're very happy with the dry tour. You know, the wet tour would have been a little much, so. And this is the only place that you guys can hear me here, but this place is huge, really impressive. So I'm gonna show you guys around a bit. And gonna get really wet, probably about as wet as the boat, but should be cool. We'll see how it goes. That was a little wetter than expected. Estamos super mojados ahora, ¿sí? Como 5 minutos allá, and we're drenched. 5 minutes. But the view was amazing. Catuai. So we found the Catuai. Hola. Hola, Catuai. Oh, mira. Está aquí. That was the famous rodent here, Catuapi, but glad I got to see one of those too. That about does it here at Foz de Azuga. I believe it's the biggest waterfall system in the world. I don't think this video is gonna do it justice for just how big it is, but really cool place. Obviously, tourist trap, but definitely somewhere you still need to check out if you're in this area. If you're in Brazil, Paraguay, close to the triple frontier, the 3 borders, whatever it's called. Definitely worth it to check out, even though it's a tourist trap.